Hi, everyone. I'm Cathy Hobbs, and I serve on the board of advisors for the National Kidney Foundation, serving Greater New York. And it is my pleasure to kick off our 2021 New York City Virtual Kidney Walk. This year is a Walk Your Way Lace Up fundraiser, meaning that you can lace up your athletic shoes and walk, run, bike, or Zumba independently and safely in your local neighborhood with friends, family members, colleagues, and even your dog. However you choose to lace up this year, we truly appreciate your commitment to raising awareness and funds for the National Kidney Foundation. As we are walking independently this year, we are stretching our event over the next 7 days. So this means from November 8th through Sunday, November 14th. Each day this week will be dedicated to highlighting the many ways in which the National Kidney Foundation supports the kidney health community and how you can be a part of this important work. So here are some of the details. On Sunday, November 14th at 10 o'clock, we will be live streaming from all over the New York metropolitan area with Team Call-ins. That's right, you can join us by video or by phone to tell us why you walk. So while we aren't able to gather in one big group in Folly Square this year, we can all still come together over a shared live stream. And throughout our local parks and neighborhoods, we can connect, we can be inspired, we can support the National Kidney Foundation. And don't forget, whenever or wherever you decide to walk, be sure to send us your photos and videos. These are really important. And you can tag us on social media, because on the evening of November 14th at 5 p.m., we will be showing all of the footage and the photos from the day as part of our Walk Day closing ceremony, which will also be streamed live via the Kidney Walk and our Facebook pages. So that's really exciting. So you're going to want to be sure to send in those videos and those photographs. As you are making your plans for Walk Day, I hope you will think about why and how your efforts truly make a difference in terms of raising awareness about kidney health and raising critical funds that are needed to deliver patient education, advance innovation and research, provide ongoing training for medical professionals, and to support public policies that improve the lives of those living with kidney disease. To keep our programs going strong, we have set our fundraising goal at $450,000. As we kick off this week, we have $238,000 left to raise, and I know that with all of you and alongside of us, we will get there. You can still register to walk and donate at kidneywalk.org/NYC. So let's talk about the need now. The New York City Kidney Walk is our area's most important fundraiser, but it's also one of the most important ways in which we can show the kidney community that they are not alone. Together, our efforts will matter to more than 37 million people across the country who have chronic kidney disease. This will make a difference to millions of New Yorkers. And it also really matters to me on a personal level. When my father was only 50 years old, he died of kidney failure. I was only 25 at the time when my father died. And his loss really changed the course of my life, my brother, my mother, my entire family. And for me, this is your opportunity to really support the National Kidney Foundation. I feel good knowing that I'm able to help a parent, a child, a sister, a brother, a friend, a complete stranger, not just live longer, but to live. As we look ahead to the future, as it relates to kidney health, the urgency of our work is growing. As you may have been reading in the news more and more lately, the incidence of kidney disease is on the rise, and much of that is due to the damaging effects of COVID-19 as it impacts kidney function. The effects of COVID-19 compounding the impact of kidney disease among those with diabetes and high blood pressure. In fact, kidney disease, also known as chronic kidney disease or CKD, causes more death than breast cancer or prostate cancer. It is the under-recognized public health crisis. So The urgency. While the urgency to improve kidney health is growing, so is our hope, our innovation, our commitment to helping people who have been overlooked by the medical community. Consider what the fundraising and awareness efforts of people like you have made in just the last year. Throughout the pandemic, the National Kidney Foundation provided patient support through Zoom and Facebook to ensure that those with kidney disease had the resources they needed when they needed them. We also expanded our hotline hours and library of online resources. In February, we launched the very first nationwide patient network to advance the understanding of kidney disease at all stages. The data that this will produce promises to advance research and transform care. Now, funds raised through our various events, like the walk, also make a difference in our commitment to addressing health equity. Over the past year, the National Kidney Foundation partnered with the American Society of Nephrology to develop a race-free approach to diagnosing kidney disease. Our report was released in September, and our recommendations would ensure that more people are diagnosed earlier and more accurately, regardless of their race. At the same time, we have been working to advance policies at the state levels through the Living Donor Protection Act. So as we look to the future, there is so much more to do and so much still ahead of us. As we look to the future, we are full of optimism and determination as we are bolstered by your support and your commitment. By participating in the New York City Kidney Walk, you are helping the National Kidney Foundation as we continue to support individual patients as they make their way through diagnoses to dialysis to transplantation. As we drive and explore new medical innovations, from advancing live donations to pig kidneys to wearable dialysis devices. As we relentlessly advocate for better access to home dialysis and transplant coverage. So, now it's your turn. I look forward to seeing you on the morning of November 14th. Lace up your sneakers, outfitted in NKF swag, and determined to raise awareness and funds for the National Kidney Foundation. In the meantime, thank you for all you do. We've got this.